the fucking king of the world.
People don't know I crack my neck all the time.
Yeah, what was that about? You were always doing that.
No, know what had happened when I had fought Bone Crusher Smith. He had hit me, and the next thing I don't know, I had a crick in my. I couldn't stop. My neck was messed up, so I had to go in to a chiropractor. I don't know what the heck was wrong with it. It was
So
a
that was
nerve.
what it came from?
Nerve. It was
So
a
it was
nerve.
from the Bone Crusher Smith fight?
Well, that's what I started doing it.
Oh, wow.
I had some nerve. It was a nerve that was and then if I had to keep.
Did you ever have neck problems? Like, you need surgery or anything?
Yeah, I had surgery in my neck. You know know why? You remember when I used to do those rolls on my head?
Yes.
Those football
yes.
rolls? Oh, they destroyed
bridges.
me.
They destroy your neck. Yeah.
I would do them